Looking for the best JBL headphones? In this video we look at some of the top 3 JBL headphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, JBL E50BT Premium Wireless Over-Ear Headphones. Pros: a great over-ear wireless headphone. Customers love these for their big sound and over-ear design. Excellent battery life is another perk of these headphones. Cons: a bit on the higher end of the price spectrum. Bottom line: for great sound quality and an over-ear design, these are a good choice. At number 2, JBL J22A High Performance In-Ear Headphones. Pros: a comfortable option as far as in-ear headphones go. The cable is durable, and these feature a built-in microphone so you can transition from music to talking on the phone. Many customers found the sound quality to be excellent for such a tiny pair of headphones. Cons: the volume control can be inconsistent, and these are on the quieter side. Bottom line: an inexpensive option for JBL headphones. At number 1, JBL E45BT Wireless On-Ear Headphones. Pros: excellent battery and dependable Bluetooth function. Foldable design makes them easy to carry around. Very comfortable. 5 color options. Cons: the weak build of these headphones can cause them to break. Bottom line: a reliable pair of wireless headphones. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.